In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change t-shirt color in Canva. By the end, you'll know a quick, reliable way to recolor a shirt inside your design using Canva's built-in tools without any complicated masking or external software. This method works best when the t-shirt in your image has clear highlights and shadows. And it's especially effective on neutral or lighter fabrics. Start by opening your design in Canva and selecting the t-shirt image you want to change. Once it's highlighted, look to the top toolbar and click Edit Photo. This tells Canva you want to adjust the image itself rather than moving or resizing it. If you are working with a photo of a person wearing a shirt or just a flat lay of a t-shirt, this will work the same way. Next, head to Effects and choose Duotone. Duotone is a powerful effect that maps the bright and dark parts of your image to two colors. It's perfect for recoloring fabric because it keeps the natural folds and texture of the shirt while shifting the overall hue. If you don't see it right away, scroll through your effects panel. Once you click it, the effect will open with a few ready-made presets. Pick any duotone preset to get started. Think of the preset as a base you'll immediately customize. Below the preset, you'll see two color options, highlights and shadows. Highlights control the lighter portions of the shirt, those areas that catch more light, while shadows control the deeper folds and edges. Click Highlights and choose the color you want the light areas to become. If you have a brand color in mind, you can enter its hex code so your new shirt color matches perfectly. Then click Shadows and select a complementary tone. For a clean, uniform shirt color, try using the same hue for both highlights and shadows, but make shadows a little darker to keep realistic depth. If you are aiming for a brighter look, keep highlights slightly lighter than shadows, so the shirt still looks three-dimensional. As you tweak, keep an eye on how the color carries across seams and creases. If the shirt started very dark, pick a richer tone for shadows, so details don't disappear. If it started very light, choose a softer highlight to avoid washing out texture. When the color looks right across the entire shirt, you are done. The change applies only to the selected image, so the rest of your design stays exactly as it is. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.